Legislative History Resources from the Federal Government for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. The federal government provides a number of websites from which we can access federal legislative history materials for free. Congress.gov is the official website for federal legislative information presented by the Library of Congress. It's a great place to find and track current legislation, look at current bills, and link to current legislative activities. To research legislative history at congress.gov, switch from current Congress to legislation. The easiest access is by bill or public law number. We could also search by keyword. To pull up the Leahy-Smith America Invents Act, Public Law 11229, the 29th law passed in the 112th Congress, we put the public law citation in quotation marks. We see this was bill number H.R. 1249 from the 112th Congress. The tracker graphic at the bottom allows us to quickly see the latest step in the legislative process that this bill achieved, which in this case is becoming a public law. Let's click on the bill number for more information about this bill. The overview box contains most of the same information and links that were on our results page and adds links to major recorded votes. Underneath the overview are a number of tabs, some of which use drop-down menus to take us to various versions of this bill. The Summary tab takes us to the bill summaries authored by the Congressional Research Service. The Text tab is possibly the most important. It takes us to the text of the bill itself in all of its versions. The various versions of the bill display as text, but we can request PDF and for some XML or HTML. This bill has 6 different versions. I use the pull-down menu to select the enrolled bill. The enrolled bill is the one that has passed both chambers, so this would be the bill version that was actually presented to the President for signature. The Actions tab takes us step by step through the legislative process. We can view just the major actions, all actions except amendments, and all actions. Both versions of all actions include links to the congressional record. The Related Bills tab identifies companion measures, identical bills, procedurally related measures, or bills with text similarities. Bill relationships are identified by the House, the Senate, or the Congressional Research Service and refer only to bills in the same Congress. A companion bill, when there is one, may have some of the important legislative history connected to it rather than the bill number that was enacted, so to be sure to check out the legislative history of a companion bill to be sure nothing important was missed. Another good source of legislative history documents from the federal government is GovInfo from the GPO, the U.S. Government Publishing Office. There is a search box at the top where we can type in our search, or select Advanced Search if we want to limit our search by collection or field. Choose the Citation tab for the quickest route to a known document. For example, we can pull up the Leahy-Smith America Invents Act by selecting the Statutes at Large collection, the volume number 125, and typing in the page number, and then clicking Search. The results box lets us download a PDF or view the entire act in a new browser window as text. Browsing by category, we can see that legislative history materials are not all in a single category. Bills and enacted laws can be found in Bills and Statutes category. Hearings and reports and committee prints will be in the Congressional Committee Materials category. The Congressional Record and the History of Bills are found in the Proceedings of Congress and General Congressional Publications category.